Motion-based mold design validates engineering decisions before steel cutting. Why doesn't this mold use a thread sleeve? This is a 1-1 mold for a large consumer product with 3 internal threads. It uses a master's valve, gated hot drop, and follows HASCO standards. A thread sleeve was intentionally avoided because long-term wear can affect thread accuracy, increase flash risk, and make maintenance more difficult. Instead, the threaded cores move directly through coordinated side actions, pneumatic assistance, and a hydraulic motor-driven multi-gear system. After the threads are released, the motor stops, the mold opens completely, and a hydraulic cylinder ejects the product. The goal was not simply releasing the threads, but improving long-term reliability, while simplifying maintenance. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo,